Hello everyone, pagan and fantasy romance author Joanna Vanderhoeven here. And even though it's a really dark, miserable, rainy day here in Suffolk, England, it's still exciting because I have received a package from my publishers at Llewellyn. So, here we go. Ta-da! Oh, sorry for the reflection of the light. So here we have my book that's coming out next month. So this is the sequel to The Path of the Hedge Witch, which is my nonfiction book published with Llewellyn. And it's just a further guide to walking the path of hedge witchcraft and how you can kind of hit the next level once you've done all of the beginner stuff. And so I'm very pleased, and the book has these lovely little illustrations and additions in it, which just gives it a little bit of character. So I'm very, very pleased with this. Isn't that sweet? And like the first book, there's anecdotes of things that have really happened to me in my witchcraft practice. So they're almost like little journal pieces, really. And so here we have divided into several sections. I really like the artwork for the cover. It was something that I really wanted to stress with my publishers and my editors, that I wanted something very, very different. So here you can see all the different sections and the different chapters. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm loving it so much. There we go. So there you have it. The Old Ways, A Hedge Witch's Guide to Living a Magical Life, coming out in just a week or two, actually. So it's the 8th of March. Hope you like it.